Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller and enabling support so inputs register correctly. Plug in USB or pair via Bluetooth, then make sure Windows shows the device. Once done, update firmware and drivers so button mapping is stable. Next, open Steam Big Picture or your launcher and enable controller support. Set Steam input to forced on when using Steam. This step avoids conflicts and lets Battlefield 6 see the controller as a full input device before you adjust in-game controls. Once the controller is recognized, you map and tune inputs to match your playstyle. Start with a known template, then customize important bindings like ADS, Sprint, Melee, and Gadgets so you don't reach for awkward buttons mid-fight. Make incremental changes to stick sensitivity and set inner/outer dead zones. Small values prevent drift while keeping responsiveness. Also decide on aim assist or gyro. Leave aim assist on if you want aim correction, but lower it if you prefer precision. You finish by saving your tuned profile and validating it across game modes so settings remain consistent. Save or export the controller preset to Steam Cloud or your own backup, then run a few rounds to confirm vibration, dead zones, and ADS sensitivity feel right under combat stress. If the controller stops working, try the simplest fixes first. Replug via USB, swap ports, repair Bluetooth, reinstall drivers, or force Steam input/DS for Windows. That usually resolves recognition or mapping issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.